begins. Is it such a sin for me to take what's mine until the end of time? We were more than friends before the story ends, and I will take what's mine. Great for God would never design. Our love had been so strong for far too long. I was weak with fear that something would go wrong before the possibilities came true. I took a possibility from you. Almost laughed myself to tears, conjuring her deepest fears.
Must have sounded 50 f***ing times. I can't believe it. Ripped her heart out right before her eyes. I thought we're easy. Eat it, eat it, eat it.
She was never this good in bed, even when she was sleeping. Now she's just so perfect, I've never been quite so fucking weeping. It goes on and on and on. I can keep you looking young and preserve forever with a fountain spray on your youth whenever. 'Cause I really always knew that my little crime would be cold. That's why I got a heater for your thighs. And I know it's not your time, but bye-bye. And a word to the wise: when the fire dies, you think it's over, but it's just begun. Baby, don't cry. You had my heart, at least for the most part. 'Cause everybody's gotta die sometime. We fell apart. Let's make a new start. 'Cause everybody's gotta die sometime. Yeah, yeah. But baby, don't cry. Possibilities I never considered are occurring, the likes of which I never heard. Now an angry soul comes back from beyond the grave to repossess somebody with which I misbehaved. Smiling right from ear to ear, almost laughed herself to tears.
Must have sounded 50 f***ing times. I can't believe it. Ripped his heart out right before his eyes. I thought we're easy. Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Now that it's done, I realize that you're on my ways. I must venture back to apologize to someone far beyond the grave.
I gotta make up for
had my heart, at least for the most part.